A super freak. I'm a freak you in the sheets. Looking for me in the streets. Big E, make a nigga tipsy. Big E, make a nigga tip me. Big E, make a nigga tipsy. Make a nigga tip me and never ever trick me. Whistle, will ya bar? Whistle, will ya bar? Whistle. I met a dude named Kofi in the club. Had big palms and he always show me love. Hey Papa, won't you come to Mama? Breakfast in bed, I've been making on Jemima. Whip, lash. I'ma make it come fast. Say my name, boy. Say my name, boy. What's my name? Say my name, boy.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah. You need something? Can you change the money?
Yeah, I wanted to change money.
Come here.
I'm sorry.
Come. How much?
I'm changing $100.
Okay.
I should give it to you?
Yeah. You don't give price. Me, I'll give you price.
You change dollars?
Yeah.
Okay, so how?
If you enter inside, if you not good price, me, I will give you the right price.
Okay, so how much do you change $100 for?
Oh, I'll give you 10, 11 to. I'll give you 11 to. Then if you enter this side, to give you 10.
So you change for 11?
Yeah, 11 to.
11 too?
Yeah, I'll give you.
So that's like 1,100 cities?
Yeah, that is.
Here you go.
Hey, I was this year, man, and Robert, I know a bunny. Hey, I was this year, man.
I should wait for you?
Yeah, I'm coming.
I can just wait for you.
Oh, I'm coming 2 minutes.
Right here? Okay. This guy, he better not run over my money. Where is he going? I'm sorry, are you talking to me? He's so strange. Where is this guy? I hope he doesn't get me.
Now, what was it?
I saw you talking to me.
No, my man, what word about man? What? Hey, boy, Mama, what would about man too? What would about man?
I'm sorry. Can you speak English, please? I'm not really sure.
Yeah, what are you looking for?
So I was coming to change $100.
Why didn't you enter?
No, there was a guy here. I thought.
A guy.
Yeah, the guy with a pink shirt. He has like a big head. It's like his hairline.
Look where you
Yeah, he has a big toe. He said he changed his money and your rate is not good. His rate is better.
And you gave the money to him?
Yes. He said he'll be right back. I didn't
Hey,
know.
Hey! That's a poor mama warning several times, said. Money in a house, I demand money warning.
What's watching?
No money warning several times on the ground. This uncle some more.
What would about man?
Do you know who he is? Yes.
Your money is gone.
My money's what?
Yeah, it's gone. If it's anything I won't ban one way inside.
I'm sorry, English. I don't understand what you're
I'm saying you were supposed to enter.
Yes.
You didn't enter. You just find somebody
I was
here.
entering.
Why did you enter?
Because he told me that his rate is better.
He told you.
And I didn't know.
Your money is vanished.
So why do you have people standing in front of your shop?
But you're supposed to enter.
So where's my money? Do you know the guy? Do you know where I can find him? I need my money.
The guy.
What my class?
Like a wiper. I know the place you can see.
Can you
Who
take me
more?
there?
Yes.
My man can't check it back.
Yes, I know the place. See they are. What you say? No, what you want to enter?
What my personal life here?
She's
Let's
going
go.
to sit some
Let's
place and
go.
shop.
Why? Emma de onam na hu oba no akere wo bobie. Emma ne enum de o tunam na ha.
Apampem won. Koneje.
Owie no odu de ho so a ohun yiri mana na o su.
Stay. Ana no wodi.
Na no den. Mo didi. Na ogbo crab na fam. Ade wo no mo su me no.
Bembe.
Ibu ana do wa don titi asie kakra.
So say dem.
O hide na identity.
Ne bebi ana fa.
Dem ade odu ba bia no akere wa kesesem.
Enyo kwa na be.
That's it. Obenam bantry sana ade ache. And crabontin so. And ever trying to feel rich. Ah. We know if you on why.
It's in and out some more. Like I don't know 1 minute here.
Bema de ko si oba na to so ato fish ma no enkoto meat ma no eto no so dada.
Don't say it.
Ya bema na si so anu abo preman. Oba obudo kun nchi na no de club piano.
Don't say it. I'm what
Are you serious? Where is my money? Excuse me, you took my $100. You said you're gonna go and change it from me. So where's my money? Where is my money?
I'm coming, I'll give you your
There's
money.
where my money is. You came to buy
Yo, what's
KK and
going
sing
on?
with this girl over here.
No.
Where's my money?
I said I'll give you-
Bema.
Where's my money?
Eh? Madam, nyabotre. Da bia obegina anim ho. Last man pamu. Last me pamu. Ana wo ya zasa. Ana krono ni azza. Adwo wanim sa. Sister ni sika we. Dollars na o de ma ho say, ye rate nye no wo de ye no e we.
Minim me ko sisamba me ju o say na accident bi asi. Eti me kwa na me pa na dollar ni ko.
He says.
Tabi, my letter repeat bi wo say me ti o me ti.
Je say wo ho ma ko sisan. Ko bi enko na me ko pa na de ma.
Wo say say ye we he.
Yes sisan enya 6 million.
What did he say?
Huh?
I hear it's 6.
Try to give me different explanations. I don't understand. Huh? First one, you told me that there was an accident, right? The second time, you said you have changed the money.
Mami asema ba me ho chu di fufu sa dey.
Come here then.
Asema ba ye kan ayi slave kan wo di fufu adey.
I
need my money, please. I need my money. I need my money.
Just hold on. He's going to give it to me. Just
Like
hold
all
on.
this smoke and I understand. I need my money.
Nyame onum ne kure. Scan de me ba.
Ah.
Me yes me ba na scan free to gatem. Ba gatem me yes me kuto say de kura kakraka bi.
Okay.
Ana kura no twin scan free me say. No.
Who's we are that? Chile mu brofo chile no. Can brofo na here. Yeah, can brofo. Explain English.
What
Explain.
happened? What's my
The time I'm working, then the money fall in the gutter. The time the money fall in the gutter, then I try to go to the credit.
Can brofo ye no ti.
But I could have me.
Obusame.
Cow. Then a cow.
A cow in the gutter? Huh?
Lion. You should lie on, lion. You should lie on.
Then the lion take the money.
You just lying. Just give my money
Elephant.
before I go crazy.
Just get my
money before I go crazy. Hello, hi. I need my money. I need my money now.
He said he
I
has
need
changed
my
it.
money. You told
That's
me you
it
were
to
going
now,
to
bro.
change it.
Who told you how? Let me tell you what. Who told you? July, Pacho.
You told me you were going to change my money for 1,100 cities. Where's 1,100 cities?
Mommy.
Where is that 1,100 cities?
Hey, you didn't make us. July. Obia, Oba ko benya hapa, unyoma, aye kama pa. No ma zani abatira didi. Dabi uni kwa kwa no.
Why you be sick as
Akwajo bi $100 ko sesa no. Ko do ba batira. Mr. July, so Oba ha so to do.
Why do you work for me?
I need my money. I need my money. I need my
Ana
money.
hwe. What's at the table me
I need
wa.
my money.
Why you setting?
Hello, hi. Give my money.
Solid. No one flip my book follow for
Where's
ma.
my money?
This time around here, enya dey say, yeah, police.
So what the hell is this? So what's this? Is it not my money that you
He
changed?
chopped the money, the one he left.
They said ya can no.
Where's the rest of
Thank you,
money?
madam.
Where's the rest?
I told you a crowd they take money. So
You want see they take money. Ana we ask that
Where is only 250 cities? Where's the rest of my money?
Masa ko ni man frɛ ko benya boys mama mbom.
Mami, aduane na wudi. Ya cheme de me
Forget about the food.
Food nam say.
Forget about the food. Go get
Eh?
my money.
Wa hwe na ko benya
Go
boys
get my
na
money.
ko
I ain't got
benya
time for this shit.
Anu kuro mu nyina.
Can credit them.
Freaking thing,
I
bro.
told you. I told you.
So where is this money coming from? Where is this from? Where is this from? Where is this from? Where is this from then?
If you
Where's
just
the
cool
rest of my
down,
money? I'm not gonna
cool
cool
down.
down. It's 1100
Blah,
cities.
blah.
Where's the rest of my money?
Hey,
You know how hard it is in this goddamn country. I need my money.
You're not call central.
Bema de onu oba didifo na ma ba breta o wi ase aba e. Oba besi apari nam ti de ayi club bottle. Jimmy for ba 7
Uniform.
Madam,
Masa, why are you phone on control?
Yeah.
Ha!
I will take
Masa,
it.
give me your phone, man. Yeah, Jimmy, someone. Huh? What you better your office name? Over Jira, now what they say. Let's go. Let's go. No, let's leave you.
Ah, why you phone every and let's go be more.
I need the rest of my money.
When we sell this one,
This was it's an iPhone 6. You're never gonna get 300 cities from me. Hey.
Why you taking my phone? Then you need the money.
You owe me 1100 cities.
Uh-huh.
I have 300 cities in cash. This iPhone is only gonna get 200 cities from me. I need the rest of 900 cities. Let's go.
So now I don't have the money.
I'm gonna sell you.
You gotta sell me.
Yes, I'm gonna sell you. Let's go.
You gotta sell me what?
Let's go.
yeah.
Yo, go.
Let's go.
Go.
Let's go.
Yo, where you going?
Hey.
I'm taking you to
What's
the
it, Papa?
You taking me to go?
Yes.
I'm not going.
You
I'm
going.
taking you to the police station. Let's go.
Let's go. Masa.
So wait. Do you know you see my basa?
I'm taking you to the police station. Let's
Yeah, you take it to the police station.
go. My fucking money.
I said take the money. You have to take the money.
Baby, I need to bet you.
Madam,
Come out.
would you meet your bro?
I'm boy.
Oh boy.
I'm a jam.
Come in the Ufla Duma, about the shower crop that you feel sample. Would you know more?
How
are you for?
Hey, why who go?
My dear, fucking get.
I'm in some Libya. Hey, that's out there.